Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the system mode, which will be a switch between the automatically switch between darker and light mode by using the system mode on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to choose the system mode on your automatically switching between the dark mode and light mode according to system mode. If you are using a system mode, your mobile phone will be brighter on the morning and the dark mode on the night. It will use that. So you can see my system is on the dark mode, but here it is on the light mode. You just need a system mode. You just want to click on the stated option, click on this setting option, and here you can see an option called choose theme, and click this choose theme. You can see a three option: dark, light, and the third theme I just talking about system default. Click on the system default. Now you can see my system is actually on the dark mode, so this chosen as dark mode. If your system is on the light mode, it will be choose the light mode. So this is how it's work. Actually, I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable Google Sheet content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.